Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sons of the Forest. Last time, give me a second. Shut up. Last time we made it to this little camp here and found, as you can see, the modern axe. I am dying of food. That's an issue. Just a slight little issue, just casually starving to death. But what I was thinking we'd do this episode is perhaps explore a bit and perhaps build a little more. So it's gonna be a fairly basic episode, I feel. There shouldn't be any salmonberry. Schooner. Ah! I got him. Uh, I'm sorry, little one. Well, oh fuck, I'm sorry. Oh, that was such good aim though. Oh, little guy. How much meat did he get? One small meat. Oh, no, it's just raw meat. Okay. Oh, the squirrel. Let's try to head back home. I had some ideas for that later on. That's not what for the map. That is. Where did I live? I know I live downstream. I'll find it. It shouldn't take too long. We'll make a cut here until we get home. So, we are now back home, and I decided to, well, sleep and, well, rest my poor guy out. Let's just get rid of this shit now. What I decided to do was put my, what the fuck? I can't show that, can I? Will you please get chopped down? Thank you. Oh, nice, you gave me some bones as well. Yeah, that was a little, oh, what are they called? Man, I forgot their name now. The little, like, statues, pretty much, that the cannibals put up. It's like a deterrent, basically showing, hey, you're not welcome around here. Actually. But yeah, I decided to move my drying rack up here. Just because, like, the cannibals are just getting to it, and I don't know if a fence like I had would even work the way I wanted it to. So I just placed it up here. I feel like it's alright. I would say that I think it's boring to just watch, what's it called, building. So, I hate to make cuts all the time, but I'll make a little cut here again until either some cannibals show up or, once my little idea here is done. Oh, ooh, there's a camp down here. Hello. Fishy. Can I break your fire? No. Okay. Well, what do you guys have? Cannibal shitheads. Zipline rope. That's good. And God knows where the zipline is, but I'm guessing that a zipline, just like in the original game with the climbing axe, is probably quite useful. Wanna hunt something bigger, like a deer or a raccoon if I can find one. I cannot for the life of me see anything, that's all. Where am I going, by the way? Still downstream. Yeah, this is okay. I mean, where else would animals be except near the water? You know, they gotta drink, just like me. Has to be something. What, like, where are creatures? Where's anything? Well, I found some kind of river. Hopefully this leads to something. Hi, cannibal. Hi. What you want? What you want? Bing Ling. Friendly. Well, I think anyone running up to you holding an axe is probably not friendly. And look! We actually found a rabbit. God. Fuck's sake. You fucking shade. You scared away the fucker. What do you want? Oh yeah, you're gonna kill me. Yeah, well, you know what? Which one of us has the axe, huh? Yeah, thought so. Go away. Go home to your fucking camp. And say my name. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, our home's right up here, isn't it? Squirt! Wait, night. Let's see. What do I have up here? Let's just hope that they're not home. What the fuck? Sir? Oh, wow, that went way above your head. That also went way above your head. Really? What are you? Fuck you. Ooh. What is this guy here? He's so big. Oh, God. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh my God, this guy is fucking huge. Oh. I chopped his arm off. Hey. Jesus. What the fuck was this guy? What kind? Jesus. What kind of fucking juggernaut was he? Carbon fiber. I fired a carbon fiber out on him. Jesus. What was he? What kind of fucking giant was he? Fucking hell, that was terrifying. Holy shit. Okay, there's a lot of cloth around. That's good. I'd imagine. Cloth was super vital in the original game. Oh my God, is this his throne? You know, I'm not even gonna get close. I don't think I can show that. Jesus Christ, though. What was this guy? Like this guy was an actual unit. Like, with a fucking motorboat engine. Like, what the shit? I want that. Let me grab it. Oh, I got a lot more than I fucking bargained for, didn't I? Look at that bitch-ass woman running away. Fuck her. Holy. Yeah. Jesus. Do I have... I don't have a cooking pot. I could probably just head home and make something. I need fish or something. Whoa! Oh, fuck you. Whoa, 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 whoa. You deal a lot of damage, my good sir. Thankfully I didn't get hit by that big guy. Jesus Christ. He would have one-shot me, probably. Strength level 8. Yeah, I would fucking feel like level 8 after killing that big-ass motherfucker. Good Christ. No, literally, what was he? Don't think I've ever really run into them before. What am I on? Oh, the arrow. Or the feather. There we go. Yeah, let's just make some more arrows. Because they're useful. And all these pouches as well. I can open them. It's like loot box. Oh my god, I got an oyster. What are these? Twin berries. Twin berries are fucking poison. I know that much. I played the original game. Money? What am I supposed to do with money? Am I supposed to throw it in the cannibal's face? Or is it like in the original game where I throw a bomb in their face? Sir, you're not running away. Oh my god. The dismemberment. It's so brutal. And it's so cool. I love it. Yeah, I know. I'm sick. I'm absolutely sick. I guess we'll head home. Jesus Christ. What an adventure. What was it? Oh, there's a rabbit. It's the wabbit. That's a squirrel. If I was a rabbit, where would I be? Oh, deer! And a rabbit! Yeah, how do I get this rabbit? Nope. Way too far. Because that was my carbon fiber arrow fire. God damn it. Yeah, I have no idea what the hell that thing went. God damn it, I'm so bad at hunting. But how are you not dead? You're like a little fawn. Oh, hi, Kelvin. Look, Kelvin, I got us food. I killed a deer. That was, I mean, it may not have been the best way to kill a deer, because I'm just running after it with a bow. I really want that rabbit. Oh my god, I got him! I got the little shit. Yay! Oh, nice. Can I pick up the arrow? Thank you. Oh, that was so good. I done it. I hunted the first time. Where is home? Home is down here. Hi, dear. Can I kill you as well? Oh, nice. Good fucking throw. Oh god, put it down, put it down. Christ, poor fucking thing. I mean, this is a bit of an unsportsmanlike way to hunt. Just chasing after the animal with a bow. That's not really my kind of style. But if it works, it works. Well, what's this place? Is this a place I've been at? Possibly. Yeah, I've been here. 9mm ammo? Can I can get a pistol. Alright, let's just head home and get some food going. Alright, I'm home. I'm starving. Please, I need food. I need to make... Well, you put out the sticks, sir. Thank you. I need... Make a fire. Make a fire. What the what? It didn't work? What do you mean? Thank you. There. Oh, put that away. Where is my pot? It's empty? Oh god, okay. Thank the Lord that I live right next to running water. Okay, there we go, I can fill it up here. And... ta-da! Water! There's a lot of these little muddy guys around. Just go inside, lock the door. Here, keep out! And like that, and then throw into pieces of food. And boom! Food that's broken, look. Oh well, I mean, I guess, no, I mean, it makes sense, because when I used to play the game, the pot would just, like, sit on the fire. You just place it on the sticks, but now it has, like, a little stand it goes out of. That's cool. Oh my god, there's blood dripping through the roof from, my second floor. If I can climb. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, let's just hang up some more food. Oh. Oh, that's it? Okay. Hmm. I mean, this may not be the greatest spot ever to place a drying rack, but hey, I mean, if you guys have any other suggestion, be my guest. Please tell me, because, I mean, if I can find out a better way to store my food, that'd be great. I mean, placing it up here, perhaps. I mean, in view of the sun, and chopping down those trees. That might work. It could work. We could do that later on. But geez, that's such a, like, gruesome sight of just seeing the blood drip through, the roof from the drying rack. Oh! Food is done. Drink. Drink the boiled meat. Oh my god, look at that. Yay! Ah, and then, oh yeah, I can take this with me. Nice! Lovely, that's great. That's really nice. Let's think, what else can we do? I mean, I could just continue building, or I could end the episode here. What day are we on? If I save the game. Day 2? Yeah, day 2. Jesus. Because it starts off at day 0. Well, with my renewed energy, let's just chop down a few more trees. That crap chopped it the wrong way, now it's gonna land in the river. Alright, let's see. No, do I have to live at that little hole? Can I? Can I? Hey, yo, who are you? Who are you, shithead? Get the hell out of here. Fuck that guy, right, Kelvin? Fuck that guy. Just come here. Come here, and we're gonna throw you here. There, go away. And the monkeys can have at you. Yeah, they're not focused on me anymore. Can I take this and place this here? No, so I'm just gonna perpetually have that little hole. Okay. That's fine by me. But yeah, how are you guys enjoying this series so far? I mean, my second video, getting lay of the land, I mean, that thing has gotten so many views. That's gotten, like, one of the highest views on my entire channel. It's up at, what was it again, at 240 as of recording this? 242 or something. It's insane to see. But it is really nice that, oh fuck, hi Virginia, I was literally just thinking about you. When were you gonna show up again? But hey, here you are. Okay. It's because I started moving. Alright, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're running away. Yeah. Alright, yalla bye. God damn it, woman. Uh, and what's really nice about her, and why I want to try to befriend her, is from what I've heard, she can actually help you. Because, I mean, Calvin's kind of brain dead. Calvin's kind of a dummy. Because, you know, after the crash, you know, he kind of got his brains, I don't know, fucking exploded out his ears. um, but Virginia, she can actually help you, apparently. I don't know in what way, if she can, like, help me build, like what Kelvin does, or what, but I guess we'll find out once, once I do manage to befriend her. And I have been told that if she shows up, just stand still. That was the thing I was really confused by when I was just playing this game casually. I was like, how the fuck do I befriend this woman that whenever I go approach her, no matter what I'm holding, she gets scared and leaves? It's because you're not supposed to approach her at all. You're supposed to let her approach you. She's like a cat. A very weird way of explaining it, but yeah, she's pretty much just a little cat. Oh, no, 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 no. Right here. But yeah, the house is starting to wrap up now, which is quite nice. Here, or... I guess we can place that first. Oh, oh no. If I stand down here, is it possible? Okay, it is. So, if I... place this here. Yeah, everything's pretty much built. That needs to be built. This. And this guy. And we run up here. Boom. Hey! There we go. Oh, yeah, look, and from afar you can't even see that it's open. I mean, if you go way back, yeah, you can see that's a massive hole. But I mean, I'd say that it's quite nice looking. How does it look from the inside? Most important thing. Oh, it looks really nice. Yeah, I like this, because I have a, like, little balcony type thing now. I can just look out at the beautiful world, and I got windows on nearly all sides, except this one. And just look out in case, you know, any nasty people decide to show up, break my face again. Another thing I should probably work on is an expansion to the house. In what direction? We have that wall there, so we kind of can't push further back that way. We could expand to the right here, but that would cause some annoyances up there. What are you doing? Evan, what are you doing? You're making noise out here. We could also try to push that way. This way right here. Like expand the house. I mean, I guess we can. And can I... Alright, I'm gonna finish up the episode very soon. I just want to see if I can do this. Like, lay the foundation for next episode. Come on, chop the tree. Because what I kind of want to do is obviously expand the house for more room. Because that was a thing that plagued me. And, well, a lot of well, yeah, I mean, yeah, I dare to say a lot of players in the original game. This does not appear to want to stand. Okay, yeah, the game's confused by that. Can I do... Nope. Alright, well, okay. What if I remember where that thing was? So, like, here? No! Okay. And it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, you're the border missing. Like that. And then we just expand out from there. It is extremely dark. I'm sorry about that. Here, a little light. Actually, what am I doing? I have, where is it? If all the items could load in here. Oh, fuck. It just turned into a horror game. Oh, nice! It does that on its own. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Do we have any more logs out here? No. The fly shroom, as we call them here in Sweden. But yeah, I think that just about does it then. Can I get a lamp real quick as well? Furnitur. Walter, let's just make like a skull lamp, like here. Oh, nice! Look at that! But yeah, I think that just about does it for this episode. We got a lot of stuff done. I'm fucking strength level 11 already. Jesus. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff done. We fought a fucking giant. That was terrifying. We built a lot on the house. I mean, yeah, I'd say this was quite the successful episode. But if you enjoy the kind of content that I make, then do be sure to leave a comment or a like to show your support. And if you want to go that extra mile, then do consider subscribing because it does help me out a lot. But until Friday, I'll see you then. Bye bye.